Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Shree.B from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am giving a presentation on while loop. Let us see the introduction. A while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given condition. It continues to execute a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. If the condition is evaluated before each iteration of the loop. Syntax of a while loop. The syntax of a while loop is most programming languages typically includes the keyword while followed by a condition in parentheses. The block of code to be executed is enclosed in curly braces. The condition is evaluated before each execution of the block of code. Let us see the example of a while loop in Python. In Python, a while loop is written with the keyword while followed by a condition. The block of code to be executed is indented. Below we can see the example of while loop. Let us go for benefits of using while loops. While loops are useful when you need to iterate over a block of code an unknown number of times. They are ideal for situations where the number of iterations is determined by a specific condition. While loops provide flexibility and can be used to solve a variety of programming problems. Common pitfalls of while loops. One common pitfall of while loops is the potential for creating an infinite loop if the condition is never met. It is important to ensure that the condition in a while loop will eventually evaluate to false to prevent infinite looping. Another pitfall is forgetting to update the variables inside the loop, leading to an unintended infinite loop. Using while loops for input validation. While loops are commonly used for input validation in programs. By using a while loop with appropriate conditions, you can repeatedly prompt the user for input until valid input is provided. This, this ensures that the program does not proceed until valid data is entered. Nesting while loops. While loops can be nested within other while loops or within different types of loops. This allows for more complex iterations and logic in programming. Care must be taken when nesting loops to ensure clarity and maintainability of the code. While loops versus for loops. While loops and for loops are both used for iteration in programming. While loops are more flexible and can handle situations where the number of iterations is not known beforehand. For loops are typically used when the number of iterations is fixed or known in advance. Best practices for using while loops. Always ensure that the condition in a while loop will eventually evaluate to false to prevent infinite looping. Update the variables inside the loop to ensure progress towards the exit condition. Use meaningful and descriptive variable names to enhance code readability. Here we see the conclusion of this presentation. While loops are a fundamental concept in programming that allows for repetitive execution of code based on a specified condition. They provide flexibility and can be used for a wide range of applications, from simple iterations to complex logic. Understanding how to effectively use while loops is essential for any programmer looking to write efficient and reliable code. Here we can see the example of while loop and do while loop. Thank you.